Hey everyone, how is Ramadan going? After submitting the final result, we breathed a sigh of relief. As soon as we looked straight ahead, work asked, "Where do you want to decorate?" So we got to work and picked up the paper from the storeroom. So today, we are making a sea theme. My team and I started working together. First, two teachers searched Google and took screenshots of their decoration images they wanted. Miss Mano and Miss Ayman created different fish on colorful computer pages together, and Miss Hafsa and Miss Maliha picked up scissors and started cutting, meaning cutting fish. Miss Kulsum and Miss Kainat drew an outline together and put a little life into it so that it looked like we had made fish. But we all divided the work among ourselves and started applying the glue and paste on the wall, and one wall was completed in a single day. Mashallah, my team and I really enjoyed it. Now tell me how the decoration was. You are requested to like,